guys, it's us being fair and I'm Rafi. So today I'm going to be baking
a Victoria sponge cake.
As you can see, we have our mini mixer here, our scale, we have baking powder here, so we're going to be using 12 grams. Yeah, this is our butter, so we're going to be using 300 grams. And we have our 4 eggs here. We have our sugar here, and we're going to be using 175 grams. We have vanilla here, and we are going to be using this one because we didn't get the color this one apparently. But this one can also work. This is our flour here. And this flour we are going to be using 500 grams. This is our salt. Salt we are going to be using a pinch of it. And this is our milk. Yeah? And this is our bowl. So we are going to put all these ingredients into this bowl. Yeah. So join me as I start. Our butter. Let me take a minute. After putting the butter here, I put our sugar. Yeah, I put our sugar. So after there, our sugar and butter here in the bowl, then we do the mixing. Yeah. That's right. No, it has been disturbing, so let me see. So I had forgotten. We put a towel down here to prevent this bowl from moving. Yeah, because it rotates with the mixer. So we put the towel down here. After mixing our butter, we put our eggs. Yeah. Then we do the mixing. Okay. So after here, we can also use 2 spoons for baking. 1, 2, yeah. my spoon here. So I'm going to measure a spoonful of it. Yeah, this is vanilla essence. Yeah, this will be enough. So after putting vanilla after mixing, I told you we are going to put a pinch of the salt. Yeah, that will be enough. After I mix, so after putting this mixture, we have sugar, butter, salt, vanilla, baking, yeah, and eggs. So we are going to use our flour. So we're going to pour it inside slowly, and careful. Yeah. After putting it inside, then we get our mixer. It's time to mix. I have to go slow because it's my plus the color in the my ears. After mixing milk in the first mixture, so mix. After mixing for some time, we transfer. No, I have to first remove the mixture from my mixer here up. So after here, I get my spatula here. I have my baking tin here, so I have applied butter because apparently we don't have a baking paper here around here. So I've improvised. I get my spatula, I get the baking tin, then I transfer my mixture into the baking tin. After putting it inside, then I have to make sure it is on the same level. Yeah. Kuna kuita kusansa. Then you can shake. Yeah. You do the shaking. See, I'm done with lighting there down. Soak it once, it's so coconut. Lighting once, it's so take on. After, our dough here. So after putting it down, then we cover and we put a timer. We put another timer. Now take it go. Let's put 40 minutes. Yeah. I'm here, so I'm waiting for my cake to get ready. So ninabanga wenda baka film kange mani bintu bikoya. So now tula mukono resting. So I'm here going to watch a movie called Clouds. It's an inspiration. So going to be watching my movie. Sit here. They might have feel one. Our cake is ready, so I'm gonna ginger. I have to use a safety towel. Giving your chat. So I'm gonna ginger your cake here. Ta-da! So I'm going to be transferring it to here. Yes, I'm going to go on. Yes, I'm going to be putting it here. There. It's a tray. Kasinia. Ta-da! As I did jam, I've removed my cake from here and I've transferred it to here. As you can see, it's time for testing. Yeah. Happy birthday to me. Yeah. It's going to be a small slice testing. So, yep. Yeah. Ta-da! So it's time for testing. Yummy, delicious. Yeah. So, people, come and join me. It's us being fair, and I've been baking this all evening. So, for more information, just click the subscription button, like, share. Hope it was helpful. So, for more information, just comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, it was us being fair, and I've been baking. Yeah. Thank you.